Boult Audio has expanded its range of wireless earbuds in India with the launch of Encore X. The device is equipped with environmental noise cancellation and is set to offer a Pro Plus calling experience using the quad mic setup. Boult Audio AirBass Encore X TWS earbuds are offered in black and white color options. The device is priced at Rs 1799 and will be available on Amazon starting April 8. It can also be purchased via boultaudio.com. The device comes with a standard industry warranty of 1 year. Boult Audio AirBass Encore X TWS earbuds features USB Type-C fast charging. It is claimed to offer a total playback time of up to 30 hours. The new earbuds, the company says, can offer a total of 100 minutes of playback time in just 10 minutes of charge. The earbuds are equipped with Bluetooth version 5.1 for wireless connectivity and are set to offer fast pairing support as well. Boult Audio AirBass Encore X TWS earbuds comes with IPX5 water-resistant design. The company claims the earbuds can also be used separately as a monopod or else in stereo mode. The AirBass features an angled bud with an extra soft silicone tips for added comfort.